Good afternoon. We're enjoying our summer break. I'm on Quiver here. I'm about to go up that little hill there. And we got Haley. Oops, watch where we're going. Haley on Lightning, a 6-year-old mare, and Tren on a 3-year-old gelding called Buckie. I gotta put this away so I can hold on.